Sige na ko glaglaan para magdaog si Sara. And I will do my best in Region 6, where Sara Duterte may not have the same powerful presence in Region 6, but I have committed to personally be present at magsisimula na po ang caravan namin doon sa July. So, daghang salamat kayo, kaning mga party dire. Sugod pag yun, kaning Cebu, posisyon mag yun is Marcos. Di ba? Nya ako, 12 years old pag yun ko, anti-Marcos na yun ko. Wag yun ko, nag-ilis anak. Kaya ingnan tara mong tanan, kamo mga buko yun mo, na ayaw magpagbuto ni BBM kay adik lagi yun. Nabudol lagi mo. Saka ang kamay kung sino ang nabudol. Kamay! Iwagay-waya mga nabudol. Tumayo ang nabudol. At maghawak ko ang hawak ko. Grabe nangyari sa atin. Saka grabe kayo sa Pilipinas. Grabe. Unemployment, up. Underemployment, 6-point-something%. Underemployment, unemployment, 2.4%. Total of 8.9% ang walay mga trabaho o dili angay nga trabaho sa ilaha. Yan ang tunay na disaster na man-made ni BBM gang sa ato. Nagikawatan na ta, wa paging trabaho mga tao, gutom ang Pilipino, taas ang crime rate, foreign direct investments down by 50%, dollar 61%. Unsa man ni kanusa pa man siya kuhaon ni Lord? Years old pa ko, ang yung kuyawan na niya. 1988, nag-mayor kami ni Digong. 1986, i-appoint ko mayor ni Cory sa Cadiz, si Mayor Digong Duterte, Vice Mayor sa Davao niya. Nagkita mi uli in 1988 after we won the election and I was Vice President of the League of Cities of the Philippines. I first met Rodrigo Duterte when I visited Davao because yung mga taga-Manila na mga presidente, mga officers ng League of Cities, ayaw pumunta sa Davao kaya nahadlok sila. Ano nahadlok man mo sa NPA? Andyan man si Digong Duterte. That's how I met him. And the second time I met him again on paper was a disqualification case. George, kaya kaning bright kind din nyo ba? Nag-file mag-certificate of candidacy for Mayor of Pasay? Pastilan, gigunitan ng tali nyo, gibunggo-bunggo. Rest his soul. Namatay na biyas din nyo, eh. Sorry kayo dong. So the question was whether or not Digong Duterte should be disqualified for substituting as mayor or substituting as president. And the case was raffled to me. Alam nyo ako, ito talaga ang palad ko eh. Wala akong nakukuha ang kaso na madali. Lahat ng kaso nakukuha ko, mahirap. As you all know, I am good friends with Senate President Franklin Drilon from Iloilo. Everybody thought I would disqualify Digong. But true to my principles of law, democracy must allow the will of the people to prevail by giving them a choice of presidential candidates. And I called my division commissioners and I said, this is my decision and this is my reason and what do you think? Sabi nila sa akin, ma'am, sama kami sa dyan. We agree. We agree that there is a lacuna legis. Yung mga abogado, bibigyan kayo ng mga Latin words para makasingil sa inyo na malaki. Lacuna legis, there is a gap in the law. And the gap in the law, I will interpret in favor of democracy and the people. Therefore, give them Rodrigo Duterte and let him lose to the unsuspecting public. Biglan ako ang humor. Ayoko na mag-English. But, as I said to him when he was mayor and I visited him, I said, you are destined to be, I said, this man is destined to be a national leader someday. And I was not wrong. At sinabi nila, DDS ako. Hindi ako DDS o hindi man ako nabudol. Kayo yun. Dilawan ako ba'y? Appointed by President Cory Aquino. Fighting Marcos since I was 12. My whole family. Tinaya namin yung mga lupa namin at lahat. The first thing that Marcos did was confiscate our electric plant. Pastilan niya. Yawa kayo. And of course, control to monopolize the sugar industry. That is why Negros Occidental will never let a Marcos win in our province. And now, that's why I'm telling you all this background, just to show you that this is really a coalition. Rage is a coalition because I am not a DDS. I am not from Davao. I was commissioner when he ran for president. So you people who are asking, hindi naman yan siya nag-support kay Digong nung sa una pa, sa buguan ni Mooy. Commissioner lagi ko sa committee. Ano man kumu... Bastante na akong si tatay pa. Bastante na nga wala akong musyagin disqualified. Bastante! Oh, yung mga mistiso dyan, ipa-explain mo dyan kay George Arnaiz kung ano ang bastante. My friends, Bisaya kay kung dako. Although Ilongga ko, I was born in Cadiz City, my grandfather was mayor during the Commonwealth, and third generation na kami ng mga Osmeña magkaibigan. Dahil dyan, kami ni Tami, dungan po pinag-mayor, ni amigo kami kaayo, karon, 5 na lang yung buhi, ipriso pa nila sa Digong. Wa na ko'y bistahan sa Cebu, si Tami na lang yun. Unya, fight lang gihapon mi ni Marcos. And that is what we have in common. But I have to tell you here, this is my first time in Cebu to declare that I am a part of your Rage coalition because I am going to campaign as I support now VP Sara Duterte for President for 2028. Ang mga Bisaya, number 1 voting population ng Cebu, you have to deliver the votes. You have to have a turnout of 98% because kamo, sige na mo. Ano gani, Henry, ang ano gani? Tikal bala, tikal? Ha? Ang hinambog. Oh. Hinambog na mo nga, Cebu ka na, Duterte pa rin. Nga, dili man mo magboto. Ang inyong mga amigo, mga sa bukid, wala man ninyo giristro. Ako, commissioner ako, bibilang ako ng boto. Ayoko ng promise na hindi nyo naman pala ma-deliver. Kaya kailangan ngayon, dito sa Rage Coalition, pag-uwi natin, we have to connect with our communities para, by our example, ma-convince natin sila, wag Sara Duterte all the way. Wala karon. Mayon tag inyo kung i-adapt diha Cebu sa Leyte. Leyte, asa mo Leyte? O, tanawa, gamay na kayo kay Tambaluslos, taga Leyte man. Gamay na kayo na taga Leyte. Sabi nila, ma'am, mag-video ka ma'am kay kung dito sa Leyte, pakita ko anong sasabihin ko sa'yo. Magsiya ma'am, ikulong si Martin. Ang taga Bohol, attorney, salamat kayo sa imo ha. Ang mga taga Iloilo, raise your hand. Yan. Diyan, gamay na sila pero daghang mga sukal dito. Gamay na sila pero we will have a caravan there. On May 13, Henry Tevez will be one of our hosts there, and George Arnaiz. We will also have a very big event of our organizations, coalitions, supporting Sara Duterte. Muna nga, mga higala, nagtindog ko dire kay layo ra ba akong gigigil. Ikapoy na biya ako, 67 years old ba ako? Ba para gyapon.